Good morning everyone, please welcome back to our simple farm in Loei, Thailand, and I hope you like my new hat. This hat is the best, protect me from the flies and unwanted insects. Normally it fly into my eyes and my mouth, basically my nose. I can't breathe properly. Horrible flies, but that's okay. These nets with the hat protect me from the sun and yes, from the nasty flies. I'm going around on each bedding to weeding and straight edge around this, so make it look nice and tidy. There is mice and some creepy crawly on the ground here, so our dog is helping. Let's get started. I'll start from this end, from the left to the right bed. So now 9 beds are done and 5 more to go. It may not be as straight I would like, but this should do it. I'm going for a quick tea break and then I'll continue on the next bed. I should get it done as much as I can today. If I don't, I will continue tomorrow, absolutely. It's just 5 more beds left to do from the left hand side here and continue towards the end. Oh, and another thing, this is what happened after it rained last night. This impact of the strong winds and heavy rain. I'll show you closer what's really happened there. The wind blew mostly pots and plastic over, but I was wrong. Thunderstorm can be unpredictable when it's come down due to the weather. Like this time, the shed was fine the day before. This shed was so important to me. It was my hand washing station. I've done our clothes hand washing here from the first day we moved into live in our farm. It was just really useful area back then. This must be taken down today, otherwise it can cause the damage to our fence lines. Because of the shed leans back and it can cause danger to our neighbor as well. That's it, and it has been taken down. Later on, my husband and I will have to discuss what we will do on this area. It could be rebuilt or it could be more beddings for growing herbs and vegetables. We shall wait and see. And to be honest, it feels so weird that the shed is now gone. Talking about weird, another weird thing is I don't get to see the bees up there anymore. This is the beehive and it was up there. Guess they're moving to the bigger hive. Then, late afternoon, we found a snake chasing one of the lizards. I was quite nervous holding the camera here. There is a tiny gap there. They're both chasing and went in there under the water pump. And the only way to get them both out is to take the water pump cover off. There it is, I can see it. When this happens, we have to put our dogs inside the house for everyone's safety. This is 6 o'clock in the morning in Thailand, and I don't believe this. This is the keelback snake that we saw it yesterday. It came back.